Hey guys, I'm having a problem here with no power. CC, turn it on, nothing. And I know it was working before this plug, but I think it's because we had this the Christmas light, something happened short, I would say, maybe. So let's see. So I believe it could be the GFCI, but first thing first, let's go ahead and check all the breakers. For the breakers. Let's see. They all look good. They're all in position. So most likely it's gonna be the GFI button reset. I know there's one here in the garage. Oh, it looks like it's this one. It's the problem. As you see, let's get something real quick. This is the GFI breaker. That happens. There it goes. That should work. So basically, that happens when it's a short. Oh, there you go. I hear it working. Got a winner. There you go. Easy fix. So basically that was the problem. Oh, okay. So once again, the outlet from the backyard, it was not working, and all I had to do is just to go to the GFI breaker that is in the garage, and that was it pretty much. I reset it and everything's back to normal. All right, hopefully I helped somebody with this video. Have a great day. Thank you.